Here's today's eye-opener. It's your world in 90 seconds.
We've been out of power for 30 hours and no heat.
It's freezing. Like an igloo.
People are going to die.
Millions of Americans are without power and heat during a deadly deep freeze as more winter weather moves in.
Here we go again, the exact same area with another snowstorm. Then that storm is going to be pushing to the northeast.
Donald Trump now blasting Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell.
It says Mitch is a dour, sullen political hack.
Mitch McConnell was indispensable to Donald Trump's success.
President Biden went to Milwaukee, where he held a CNN town hall.
When is every American going to be able to get a vaccine?
By the end of July of this year.
Cleanup is underway after severe weather in North Carolina.
At least 3 people were killed in a tornado that struck a seaside town.
All that?
Top-ranked Novak Djokovic hits one into the net, then he just goes ballistic. Oh, that's toast!
And all that matters.
Shooter McGavin, this is for you.
Adam Sandler bringing back Happy Gilmore 25 years later.
You dead, Shooter.
On CBS This Morning.
Money. Shooter. Still got it. Well, thank you to all the fans, and thank you to you, Adam Sandler. And why don't you just meet me at the 9th green at 9, Gilmore? Little secret of the pros. Okay? Oh, and Gilmore, wear something nice.
This morning's Eye Opener is presented by Progressive, making it easy to bundle insurance.